Hi friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies and you are watching Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And if you like the video, don't forget to click the thumb icon. Okay, we can start the video. National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. So we can check the details. Total 34 vacancies are there and the job location is Karnataka, Bangalore. Salary is up to 1,50,000 rupees and the last date for submission July 7th. So the candidates who are interested to apply for the job can apply before 7th July. Accounts or administrative assistant, total 1 vacancy is there and salary is 30,000 per month. The age limit is 30 years old, so the candidates who are below 30 years old can apply for the job. The qualification and experience, bachelor's degree is needed, BA, BCom, BCA, BBA. Candidates can apply for the job and they have an experience in financial reporting, logistic and administrative management of office spaces. Then next one is administrative coordinator. 1 vacancy is there. Salary is 45,000 rupees per month and the age limit is 65 years old. The candidates below 65 years old can apply for the job and the qualification needed for the post is bachelor's degree and they have an experience of financial reporting and others. IT coordinator, total 1 vacancy is there. Salary is up to 1 lakh per month and the age limit is 40 years old. So the candidates who are below 40 years old can apply for the job and the qualification needed for the job is BE or BTech in computer science or information technology or the master's degree IT information technology or computer science can apply for the job. Also they have 2 and 3 years of experience in relevant field. IT maintenance officer, 1 vacancy is there. The salary is 50,000. Age limit is 35 years old. The qualification needed for the post is BE or BTech in information technology or computer science from any recognized university with 1 year of experience in relevant field. Then IT officers, 2 vacancies are there. Salary is 65,000 per month and the age limit is 35 years old. The qualification needed for the post is BE or BTech in computer science or IT or masters in information technology and with 2 years of experience in relevant field. Media coordinator, 1 vacancy is the salary is 70,000 per month. Age limit is 45 years old. The qualification and experience is degree in mass media and communication or journalism or media and at least they have want at 3 years of experience. Then project officers, lawyer, 3 vacancies are there. The salary is 90,000 and the age limit is 30 years old. The qualification and experience minimum LLB degree and with 2 years of experience. A research officer, 2 vacancies are there. The salary is 35,000 and the age limit is 30 years old. The qualification needed for the post is master's degree in social work or public health or psychology or LLB. Then psychiatrist, 4 vacancies are there. The salary is 1,20,000 rupees and the salary is 30 years old. The qualification needed for the post is minimum MD in psychiatry. So the super specialties such as DM, PhD are preferable more and at least they have 3 to 6 years of clinical experience. Then project officers, total 6 vacancies are there. Salary is 90,000 per month and the age limit is 45 years old. The qualification needed for the post is master's degree in clinical psychologist and they have at least have 2 years of experience in relevant field. Then project officers, social workers, public mental health workers, 7 vacancies are there. Salary is 90,000 and age is 32 years old. So the candidates below 32 years old can apply for the job. The qualification is master's degree in social work, public health and education, and they want an at least 2 years of experience in relevant field. Technical operator or operational lead, total 1 vacancy is there and salary is 1,50,000 rupees. The candidates who are below 50 years old can apply for the job, and the qualification is master's degree or higher in psychology, social work, public health, and at least have 10 years of experience. Thematic lead, total 4 vacancies is the 1,20,000 per month will be salary, and age limit is 45 years old. Qualification needed for the post is master's degree in psychology and at least have 4 years of experience. So the eligible candidates who meet the eligibility criteria can apply for the job. Your resume and a covering letter explaining your eligibility for the position. These documents are sent to this email ID before July 8. So your degree certificate and other documents not want to send at this stage. Then there will be an interview conducted by a video conference, and the last date for submission of applications is 7th July 2020. So if your friends are eligible for this job, please share with them also.